Washington State Route 123. Route description. State Route 123 SR 123 begins at an intersection with U.S. Route 12 US 12 northeast of Packwood in the Gifford Pinchot National Forest. Paralleling US 12 and the Ohenepcosh River, the highway crosses Boulder Creek and enters a canyon where the roadway encounters Forest Route 44 FR 44, a connector from SR 706 to Mount Rainier National Park. The segment of SR 123 in the heavily forested canyon. Still in the canyon, the roadway exits the Gifford Pinchot National Forest and enters the Mount Rainier National Park. The roadway enters Pierce County from Lewis County and passes the Ohenepcosh Visitor Center, located 1,900 feet 579.12 m above sea level. SR 123 crosses Laughing Water Creek and passes Silver Falls and the entrance to Steve Canyon to the trailhead of the Grove of the Patriarchs Trail. Now, following the Chinook Creek, the highway travels into a tunnel under Seymour Peak and ends at an intersection with SR 410 at Cayuse Pass. History. The history of SR 123 begins with the establishment of the Pacific Forest Reserve in 1893, which became the Mount Rainier Forest Reserve in 1897. Both included the area near the present highway. The Mount Rainier National Park was established as the 5th National Park on March 2, 1907. The Mount Rainier National Forest Reserve became the Rainier National Forest in 1907 and Columbia National Forest in 1908. In 1923, a renumbering and restructuring of the state highway system occurred, and a branch of State Road 5, later named the Cayuse Pass Yakima Branch, was added to the system. The northern terminus of the roadway at Cayuse Pass became U.S. Route 410 US 410 during the creation of the United States numbered highways. The Columbia National Forest replaced the Rainier National Forest in 1933. The branch of State Road 5 became the Cayuse Pass branch of Primary State Highway 5 PSH 5 in 1937. Between 1946 and 1959, a ski resort operated at Cayuse Pass. In 1949, the Columbia National Forest was renamed to the Gifford Pinchot National Forest to honor a pioneer of the same name. During the 1964 highway renumbering, the Cayuse Pass branch of PSH 5 became SR 143, an auxiliary route of SR 14. SR 14 became US 12 on June 20, 1967, and SR 143 became SR 123, while US 410 became SR 410. Since 1974, the Washington State Department of Transportation WSDOT has recorded the opening and closing dates of Cayuse Pass. The only season when the pass was not closed was between 1976 and 1977. The earliest closure was on October 7, 1996, and the earliest opening was on March 30, 1992. The latest closure was on January 4, 1990, and the latest opening was June 21, 1996. After the Hanukkah Eve windstorm of 2006, a 10.90-mile 17.54 km long segment of SR 123, which is only 16.34 miles 26.30 km long, was washed out and need reconstruction. Construction started on June 21, 2007, and the road reopened on September 28, 2007. Major intersections, sections